Yeah, hello guys. In this video, we are going to create the first Maven project of this series. So now let's start. We will see that how to create that first Maven project using the Spring Boot framework. Then we will create the one class and we will connect with the database. Okay. So now let's start how we can do this. So for that, we already open the STS. Then you can click here, File, New, Spring Start Project. Okay, then you can give here the project name, what project name you want to give. Suppose I want to give a code with money. Okay, that's done. Or here you can give the name of the mm, package name I want to give just like a code with money. Give normally code with money. Okay, no problem. Then version 11. Okay, fine. Jar file. Okay, everything is done. Demo project for Spring Boot project. Here you can give the description, anything. Okay, no problem. That is fine. Now next, okay, whatever the dependency you want, so you can add here. So it will Lombok. I want Spring Data JP. I want MySQL Driver, Spring Web, Postgre if you want. So you can add. If no, so no problem. So if it is not visible here, so you can take from here. Okay, you can type here Spring Web, whatever dependency you want, you can type here. Okay, mysql driver has been done. Lombok, Spring Data, JP, everything is done. Okay, if Lombok will not show in your system, so I will tell that how we can use Lombok. Okay, so here I want this one. Okay, so this will be fine. 2.7 0.17. Okay, then next, then finish. Okay, so now we can see code with money has been came, and click here. So it's taking a little bit time. You can see that 26% in this corner. It will take hardly 1 minute to build the project. So it will show the all folders, whatever folders we want. So it's taking a little bit time, no problem. 42%, let's see, let it be 100%. Fine. Now just wait 1 second, no problem. After completing this, so we can start. So I want to tell that whenever you want to going to create the Maven project, so you have to install the Lombok also. What is Lombok and how we can use this, I will show you the practically also. So firstly you have to install the Lombok. Firstly you have to go Chrome and write here Lombok. It's very necessary. Okay, see, then go here and here you can come here, and this is the Lombok. Okay, project Lombok. Anyone you can select. Okay, which one is most used, you can take that. Click here, and then you can see jar file 1.9 MB. Click here, it will be start to download. Okay, you can see it has been start and download has been done. So after download the Lombok, you can see in download here. Yeah, you can see that Lombok has been downloaded. Okay, so what you have to do, then copy this Lombok and paste where you install the STS. Suppose I install STS in C, and inside this you can see this one I install the STS, then paste here the Lombok. You can see copy and paste here. So then you can use the Lombok facility in the Spring Boot project. Okay, after that now let's see it's done or not. Oh, it's taking a little bit time, no problem. Okay, I told you that how to download the Lombok and copy and paste in your the folder. So after doing this, Lombok will visible in Spring Boot project, and you can utilize that dependency. Okay, and one more feature I want to tell that you need one another that dependency also. See here I already the copy and paste Spring Doc Open AI UI, Open API UI. Okay, this dependency is used to uh, sh- um This dependency used to it will help to run your API on Swagger. Okay, so whatever API you will create, so it will run on Swagger. So for that we need this dependency. Okay, I already copy and paste, but how I get this dependency, let me tell. First you have to go here from here, you have to write a spring 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 doc open AI UI. Okay, then click here Maven repository. Okay, whatever dependency you want to add in your project, so just come to that Maven repository and search here, you will get here, then click here. Okay, then you can copy this dependency. Okay, I already copy and paste there, so no problem. Okay, directly you can copy this dependency and paste, no problem. Now let's see. Okay, it's taking little bit time. So whatever the things we want, so I already told, so let's let it be done. See, let's till now we can see this is the form.xml file. So here you will add the all dependency, whatever dependency you want to add. See, while creating the Spring Boot project, we add some dependency. You can see that mysql connector and lbook we already added. Okay, and we add the spring web data jpa. Data jpa is used to help to connect with the map with the database, and it will help you to connect with the mysql database. Okay. Hmm. Done. Okay, let it be done. Hmm. Okay, now we can see here. Hmm. See, in when you will click on source, then click here and click here and check. Let it be open. Okay, this is the our main class of this project. This is the main class. From here we have to run this project. Okay, and click on source main dot resource. So application dot properties. In application dot properties we will write port number, server port number, and database name, which database we are going to use. Okay, so and so we will write each and everything in application dot properties. Okay, 90% build has been done. Okay, 92. Okay, now we can start. Now 100 done, very good. Yeah, now you can see that and package name should be in a lower small letter. See, com dot code with money. Okay, now this is main class. Now firstly I want to create the any main class. Main class means any class. Suppose I'm going to create the details of students. So for that what I need, and why I add the long book, I will tell those things also. Okay, see, firstly I'm going to create one class. Right click here, new class. Okay, class, yeah. And I want to change the package name dot model. Okay, any name you are going to change. See, code with money. After that dot model I use, I didn't delete anything, because it will check after the uh, money dot then model money dot anything, it will check after the money. Then I put the dot model, that means it will change the package name. That means I'm going to use another package. Okay, so I want to tell the name of class student. Okay, in class S should be capital, that means first letter should be capital. Okay, then click finish. Yeah, class has been done. uh, Now I want what I want. I want private private int id. Id, what id? Roll number. Put roll number. Done. um, okay, then what I want private string student name as name. Okay, then I want private string, I want school name. sch school name, then and private string uh, class, in which class. Okay, I can't give a proper class name because it will show like that, so it will not accept, so I just wrote like that class. Okay, and private, whatever field I want I have to write here, string father name. Okay, and private string mother name. Okay, I think so okay, add one more field, private string and private mother name, father name, and grade anything. Okay, fine. I want this much fields in table. Okay, so roll number should be as a primary key, so I have to add at the rate id. Okay, right click, control plus space, when you will click, so it will show you java x dot persistence. Click here. Okay, so your roll number will be as a primary key. Then I want to use a at the rate entity. See, entity java x persistence. Okay, then see, to whenever when we create that class, so I have to add the getter, setter, constructor, deconstructor. See, if I want to click here right, and I have to click here source, and here I have to click the generator constructor. No, this one I have to click here right, source, and this one. See, if I will click here generate, so it create the constructor of that fields. So I don't want to write this much code. I have to write for constructor, getter, setter, deconstructor, so it will increase the line of code. I don't want to use this, so that's why I install the lbook. I want to use the lbook. So at the rate data, data is used to for the getter setter purpose. At the rate all args for the constructors. At the rate no args for the deconstructor. Okay, so everything is done for class. Fine, now we save it. After that we have to create the repository class. Repository class is used to connect with the database. So how we are going to create the repository class, let's see. Okay, first click here and refresh, so it will come in line. Okay, click here and click here, and repository should be interface. So click here, give the repository name, repository, anything you can give, uh, student repository, anything. And here you have to change the package name, repo, anything you can give name, then click finish. It repository interface class has been created. So now click here at the rate repository, at the rate repository. Okay, done. Then here you have to extend the student class. That means when, so it will create that table in database with the name of students. Okay, and jpa repository, jpa repository. Okay, done. So uh, instead of t you have to write here the class name, which class you are going to use here, student. uh, Control space I am clicking. Now done. While importing the anything, just be careful, import anything. If you will import by mistake predefined method, anything other things, so it will not work. See, code with money dot model, then student. Okay, fine. From here id, that means in student you can see that primary key is a roll number is an integer, so you have to write here integer. Okay, integer. Okay, that everything has been done. So in this video we will just see how to create a Maven project, how to create a table, and how to connect with the database. Okay, fine. Now what we have to do, mm, now I have to write the application dot properties. See, this is the application properties. Inside that application properties, lot of things we have to write, so we already wrote, and we have to just copy paste so we can easily understand. See, I already wrote control A, control C, control D. Okay, now I will just explain those things so you can understand. Yeah, you now you can see that here the server port number is 8095. You can give anything, it may be 8090, 8080, whatever you want to give you can give, no problem. Okay, so spring dot data source dot url, you can see here the local host 3006. I'm using 3306. It may be 3305 for you for your MySQL database, but this 3306 is for my system. And stdb I wrote for to database name. Here I can give anything. Suppose I want to give code with money, anything, database db, anything I can write here. So it will create the database inside the MySQL with the name of this. See, question mark create database if not exist. If this database is not exist in database, so it will create. Otherwise, no problem. So this is the username of MySQL, and this is a password for the MySQL my database. And here this one I wrote for this is the Hibernate DDL auto created, and with the update the database schema will automatically update according to Java entities found in the project. Okay, this is update and naming strategy, and as it is you can write in your application dot properties. Okay, and everything is done. Control S. This is main class, and this is the student dot, and I didn't wrote that this one, but now no need because I'm going to just create the database. So but we can add now, no problem. Copy and form.xml, this one, and paste here. Control V. Okay, control S, and everything done. This is student, so it will create in database with table name is student, and this much field it will create 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, done. Now let's start. Now run, and let me show you the database. This is MySQL database. Okay, here it will create the that database is not present here, but it will create. Okay, now right click here, run spring boot. Mm, in next video we will see that how to create API and how to show this API on server or Swagger, and how with the help of API we will fill the data inside the database. Now in this video just these things. Okay, you can see that. Yeah, started, and inbuilt server you can see here Tomcat static server is 8095 we are using. Let's see database. Refresh here. Codewithmani, yeah, you can see Codewithmani database, and click here table. Yeah, student table. Click here, click here. Done. Roll number, class, father name, grade, mother name, s name, school name, whatever the fields we want, you can see here the all fields are visible. So after that we create the one table, and we create inside the database. In next video we will see how to create API. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.